Sairam children, welcome to maths class. Children, let us continue with our chapter number 8, measurement. Today we are going to understand few word problem questions. Children, in word problem questions, there are few important things, right? So what are those? First thing is we have to read the question at least 2 times. Understand what they are asking, okay, whether it is an addition word problem or a multiplication or a subtraction word problem, okay, what type of word problem it is. We can do it by reading the question, okay, and understanding it. Then when we understand, after that we have to write the statements. After writing the statement, we are going to do the operation, okay, what they have asked, and then finally we will write the answer. So these are few steps in word problems. Now let us see an example. Children, read with me. The weight of a packet of chips is 150 grams. What is the weight of 7 such packets? Okay, one more time we will read. Okay, the weight of a packet of chips is 150 grams. What is the weight of 7 such packets? So here we understand that the weight of one packet is given to us. Okay, there is one chips ka packet where the weight is 150 grams. And we have to find out what is the weight of 7 such packets. Okay, so one packet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to find out the weight of 7 such packets, correct? So how we will find out? One packet is given, so here we have to multiply. We will multiply 150 grams into 7 such packets, and then we can get our answer. Okay, first, so let us write the statements. Statements will be weight of one packet. Whatever is given in the question, that only we can write as statement. Weight of one packet is equal to 150 grams. So weight of 7 such packets is equal to 150 grams into 7. Okay, now we will multiply 150 into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 fives are 35, 7 ones are 7, plus 3 is 10. So our answer is 1050 grams. Okay, now children, whenever we get an answer in grams, we have to convert it into kilograms and grams and write the final answer. Okay, so 1050 grams is equal to 1 kg and 50 grams, correct? We have also learned the shortcut method where in thousands place 1 is given here, so it is 1 kg and this is 50 grams. Okay, so here children, we have 1050 grams which is equal to 1 kg and 50 grams, correct? So children, you can write then the final answer. The weight of 7 such packets are 1 kg 50 grams. Children, now take out your textbook and your notebook. Okay, we are going to continue with exercise 8.5. We have already started the exercise. We have done addition and subtraction questions. Now moving towards the word problems. Okay, write question number 3. Neha bought 3 meter 95 centimeter of blue cloth, 1 meter 75 centimeter of red cloth and 5 meter 25 centimeter of pink cloth. How much total length of cloth did she buy? So this is our question number 3. Children, write down the question in a fresh page. Okay, in a new page, write down the question and then we will solve it. Now here, as per the question, okay, Neha bought 3 meter 95 centimeter of blue cloth, 1 meter 75 centimeter of red cloth and 5 meter 25 centimeter of pink cloth. Okay, so there are different type of cloths are given and she has bought them. So we have to find out how much total length of cloth did she buy. Here the word total is given, correct? It is a keyword. So we can understand that we have to add here. We have to add all the length of cloth so that we can find our answer, correct? Children, now let us write the statement. Okay, statement we write from the question itself. Okay, whatever is given. What is given to us? That blue cloth bought by Neha is equal to 3 meter 95 centimeter. Then red cloth bought by Neha is equal to 1 meter and 75 centimeter. Then pink cloth bought by Neha is equal to 5 meter 25 centimeter. Correct? Then what we have to find out? Total length of cloth. Children, note down the statements in your classwork. After this, we have to add. Correct? We are going to add. So, you will draw the lines, children. Then you will write meter and centimeter. Okay. So, let us write all the numbers properly. 3 meter 95 centimeter plus 1 meter 75 centimeter and 5 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, put plus sign here. Now we are going to add. Okay, we always start from centimeter side, correct? 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 1 will be carry over and 5 we will write here down. Next we have 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17 and 17 plus 2 will be 18, 19. So it is again 1 carry over and 9 we will write here down. Now 1 will be carry over in the meters side. Okay. Then we will go towards meters side. Here we have 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So children, our answer is 10 meter 95 centimeter. Okay, children, do the sum properly in your notebook, in your classwork, and after this we are going to write the answer. Okay, first note it down. Write down the answer now. Neha bought 10 meter 95 centimeter cloth. Children, now take a new page and write question number 4. Aman's mother made 2 liters of juice. Okay, Aman drank 5 glasses of juice, each measuring 125 milliliter. How much juice is left? Okay, so let us understand the question here. Aman's mother, she made 2 liters of juice. Now Aman liked juice very much, so he drank like 5 glasses. Okay, and each glass measuring 125 milliliters. Okay, so he drank 5 glasses of juice where each measuring 125 milliliter. Correct? So how much juice is left? So we have to find out how much juice is left, correct, in the jar. So children, let us understand what the question is. That Aman's mother made 2 liters of juice. Okay, he drank 5 glasses of juice, each measuring 125 milliliter. Now Aman drank 5 glasses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 glasses. Now they have given each measuring 125 ml. They have given each. Remember this. Okay, so the one glass is measuring 125 milliliter. We have to first find out what is the measurement of 5 glasses. How we can find out? By multiplication. Correct? We will multiply 125 ml into 5 because there are 5 glasses. So we will find out how much Aman drank. Correct? After that we have to find out how much juice is left. Left means we have to subtract. Okay, Aman's mother made 2 liters of juice. Then how much Aman drank, that we have to subtract. Got it? So children, note down the statements. Juice made by Aman's mother is equal to 2 liter. Right? Then juice drank by Aman is equal to 125 milliliter into 5, because there are 5 glasses. See here children, it will be 625 milliliter. Okay, after multiplication, 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Then 11, 12. 5 1s are 5 and 6. So children, 5 glasses, okay, the quantity of 5 glasses is equal to 625 milliliter. So this much Aman drank. Okay. After that we have to find out how much juice is left. How we will find? By subtracting. Correct? 2 liter minus 625 milliliters. Children, note down all the steps in your classwork. So children, we have to subtract 625 milliliter from 2 liters. Okay. So first you will draw the line and then you will write milliliter and liters. Okay. Liters and milliliters. So write properly. From 2 liters to 2 liters will come first. Now with 2 liters, milliliter is not given. So we will put here 3 zeros, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Correct? After that, subtract minus 625 milliliter. In liters side nothing is there, that means it is 0. Let us subtract here. Okay. Children, you can see 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 minus 2 is also not possible. 0 minus 6 is also not possible. So we have to borrow from 2, which is in the liter side. So 2 will become 1. Correct? And this 0 will become 10. Then other 0 will borrow from number 10, which will become 9. This will become 10. The last 0 will borrow from 10 and it will become here 10. The last 0 will become 10. Correct? So this is how we will do the borrowing. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2, children, subtract. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 6, 7. Correct? Then 9 minus 6 is 3. And in liter side we have 1 minus 0, which is 1. So children, our answer is 1 liter 375 milliliters. So this much juice is left. Children, write down the answer. 1 liter 375 milliliter of juice is left. It is your homework sum. For homework, you have only one question. Question number 5. Okay. Write down the homework in your homework notebook. Children, next I want to discuss the portion for essay 2. Okay. Now with this last question, our portion is completed. Our chapter number 8 measurement is also completed and our portion is also completed. Okay. So the portion for essay 2 is chapter number 5 multiplication, chapter number 6 division, chapter number 7 fractions and chapter number 8 measurement. Okay. Other chapters are not there. Only this 4 chapter will come for your final exam. Thank you children.